this is after our visit to the nomadic tribes. We're back on the road here. There's some sheep down here on the right, you'll see. I don't know if you can see them. They're down on the right hand side here. Just grazing down in there. Well, we stopped for a little bathroom break. We got little Rover here, our guard dog. He's very nice. He's very quiet. None of these dogs that I find here bark. Like back at home, you walk by a dog 50 feet away, they're barking like crazy. Like yeah, but this one, they're all nice. You know, they're like, hey, leave me alone. You know, take your time. I'm doing my thing. You're doing your thing there. And they got a little balcony up top there too. There, so yeah. All right. See you, my friend. Bye bye. Still on the road here. Looks like a little bit like the Atacama Desert or out in the America's Southwest or something here, you know.
Oops, reason why we stopped here for lunch, or why everyone stops for lunch, it's the only place to break the journey in two. You go from Fes to Arfoot or here, then you stop in the middle for lunch. Or if you cannot do it in one day, you go from Fes and then you spend the night here in middle, and next day you continue to this place here. So that's why everyone stopped where we stopped for lunch.
Stop there, I